Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkhosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Mpumelelo Msile who post his girlfriend, his new girlfriend, Amahle Gasela lapha ku Instagram kesana, and Mzansi who shocked kesana, and they are saying go to a Montlu girl, but yeah, she's really pretty Nkosi yami. Siyabona ke ukuthi uSibinzi guys une type yakhe nje la deala nayo. Ba girlfriend akhe onke you think nje ukuthi they are siblings cause she play one even though kuba khona lo ngathi uyambona ukuthi ngathi sokuthi singemdemba, but uyabona ukuthi he doesn't go for bantu labasilenda, he doesn't go for bantu labanganamdemba. Bonke abantu bakhe nje bafana nebantu bababo wakhe. It's like uthethe kubaba wakhe nje vele like father like son. So people are saying ukuthi man, poor Terelo, or the girl probably thought ukuthi makuhamba uVuyokazi she's gonna be a boss lady and ufikile Amahle, and guess what, Amahle if amlobola uSibinzi, Amahle baqala ngaye kumlobola ekubeni kufike yena muva. Guys, life it's not fair, shame nemjolo njena awukho fair because umuntu ofike emuva utholakala njani salotsholwa kuqala. So Amahle Gasela, she's gonna be wife number 1. And umdlisa ngemaphayiphi njena kuTerelo. So people are saying ukuthi uyalayeka uTerelo because bekahlala yena khulumela uVuyokazi saying ukuthi uVuyokazi akadethanze, she must move on. Now it's her turn ukuthi taste her own medicine. Why naye angamove on now that sekufikile ibhoza ofikile uAmahle? Guys, ngosibidzi nje kuphela lonesithembu sama-girlfriend akwathi awakhombise TV. It's so sick, shame. People are saying ukuthi njena they really feel sorry for the girl because she really seems like a sweet person, like a down to earth person, but njena how girl siyakutsabukela, but usisibinzini yokukhuluma nikhulumile kanandzaba seninganikhuluma nje nini nikhuluma. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.